1 liter ಹಾಕಿ ಬಾಟ್ಲು ಫುಲ್. Guys, this is the new Yamaha MT-15 which just came to Bangalore yesterday, and it was unloaded in all the Bangalore showrooms. So today we'll be doing a short review and a mileage test for this bike, which looks low, damn, and it looks low, perfect. And this on-road price will be like 1,76,000 in Bangalore. But for budget, it's not so good. You can buy Yamaha version R15 version 3 only. But this bike looks naked and street fighter. So let's see the power. This bike has a standard single channel ABS system, and compared to R15 version 3, this bike has like 52 teeth, and R15 version 3 has 48 teeth. So the better acceleration will be provided, but I don't know about the top speed because the sprocket is bit more and the teeth are bit more, so acceleration top speed will be a bit less compared to R15 version 3. And this bike has same VVA technology, and it powers around 19 bhp at 10,000 rpm. And we'll get to know about this bike when we ride it. So let me start this bike and see the exhaust note. So now we'll be seeing the exhaust note for this. And this is the low beam, high beam. This will be the static light, and this will be the low beam and high beam. Okay, we'll be doing the mileage test, and we'll be looking out the exact review for this. And I'll be filling. The fuel tank was completely empty, and I filled the tank with 1 liter of fuel. Okay, we'll be doing the mileage review in city as well now. Fine, we'll be now riding this bike as well. You can see the ABS really works well. The power is super, bro. The Yamaha engine never disappoints us in any way. This machine really amazes, and the sound, it's so, and the exhaust sound is like same like FZ version 3. It looks similar, and he has the same sound. Wow. And in the cornering and all, it's like it takes so easily. And the slipper clutch is so smooth in this bike. The gear changes so crisply and so precisely. Yeah, the sound is also great. Now his height is like how much, bro? 5.5. So this bike is perfectly for him, but my height is like 5'11", so this bike is a bit somewhat it's not comfortable for taller people, and his height is 5.5, so his height is also perfect for this bike, and he can ride very well. See there, see that beast, man. See the headlights, friend. It looks awesome. How was the bike, bro? Is it so comfortable? Yeah, it's so perfect for him, but for me, the taller people, it's not so comfortable, but it's okay. This bike is perfect. The seats are so soft, and you can see this guard, so that if your mom or sister can sit, they can hold it easily. Okay, now we'll ride this. So we have now completed around like 35 kilometers in the city, and you can see the bike performs really well, and for the on-road price is like 1,76,000, so it is a bit disappointment. You can buy other bikes like Pulsar RS200, NS200, other more CC bikes, you can go for it. But for Yamaha engine, if you want a Yamaha engine, pure engine, and you want a race engine like feel, you can go for this bike or R15 version. It's a perfect bike and a street fighter which is launched in India, Yamaha M15. And this bike doesn't have telescopic forks. It has USD forks, and because of Indian some rules and regulations, it has like USD forks. That is one disappointment. Okay, now it's like around we have rode around like 38 kilometers, and the fuel engine is like bit it's going down, and yeah. So the mileage we got around for this bike, is around like 38 km per liter. So in city you get 38, and in highway you may get 45, I guess, and it's a perfect bike.